Then I'm sharing my screen now. Can you all see my screen? Have to focus also, even though this topic we already touched last time. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so the first thing is equivalent ratio, which means for this topic equivalent ratio, it will introduce the concept of equivalent ratio. Okay, for an example, as you all know how to do the ratios, correct? There are 4 apples and 8 oranges. So the ratio of the number of apples to the number of oranges 4 to 8. Let's say, okay, this is the equivalent ratio. Okay, let's say if we have to simplify this ratio, what is your final answer? We need to divide into what did I say on Monday? Volunteer. Any volunteer, just open your mouth and talk. Don't just keep quiet. Divide by what? If let's say the 4 to 8, okay, you can divide with 2. If 4 divide with 2, you will get 2 again. If 8 you divide with 2, you will get 4. So you will get 2 to 4, but still can simplify what? So you can divide with, can choose the, yes, 4. Very good. You can choose the bigger common factor which can divide. So 4. So 1 ratio 2 is your answer. Okay, so for this one, okay, I'll show you one example. We put every 2 apples in a plate.
Teacher, are
and
you
every
sharing screen?
Yes, my dear. Yes,
I
what
can't
happened?
see.
How about the rest? Can see my screen?
So I go out and
How about the rest? Can see my screen or not?
Yes, teacher.
Only Jingzi can see. How about the rest?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Then?
can already.
Okay, thank you for your response. And then let's say if you really cannot view the screen, sometimes maybe because of the connection, it's okay. The slide is already in Edmodo. Anytime you can go to Edmodo, you can open the slide, you can follow what I'm teaching here. It's the same slide, okay? So we put every 2 apples in a plate and every 2 oranges in a plate. Okay, here we have 2 plates of apples and 4 plates of oranges. Remember, teacher said the 2 apples is equals to the 1 unit. This one is only for the example. So we call each plate 1 unit. So each unit must have the same number of objects. So if we want to count the ratio, you have to count the number of apples to the number of oranges. You should count the unit. Okay, let's say we have this one, teacher already taught on Monday, right? Let's say we have 2 plates of apples. 2 plate means teacher said the 1 plate content of 2 apples is equals to 1 unit, and then 1 more plate is 2 apples is equals to 1 unit. So if you want to find the ratio of the apples to number, what is the answer? What is the ratio for the apples and oranges? Class. Ratio of the apples and also
2 and 4.
2 to 4. Okay, how to simplify? Simplify. Hey, don't ask me what is simplify. What is simplify? How to simplify? You can divide with what? Yes, you have to divide. Like fraction, how you simplify? You will use the same factor, right?
Yeah.
Same goes to ratio also. 2 to 4, how you all can simplify, class?
Divide 2.
Very good. You can divide 2. So 2 divide 2, you will get 1. 4 divide 2, you will get 2. Okay.
1 over
Example.
2. 1, 2.
Not 1 over 2, 1, 2. Okay. And then Let us put 4 apples in one and 4 oranges in one plate. So which means one plate of apples, we have 4 apples, we categorize it as 1 unit. And then same goes to the oranges. The ratio, same goes to the oranges. 2 plate of oranges. 1 plate consists of 4 oranges. 1 more plate consists of 4 oranges. So 2 plates, which means 2 unit. So it's very simple. Usually I will explain everything in instructions. Let's say 4 apples is equals to 1 unit, or 2 apples is equals to 1 unit, so that you won't get confused with that. So if you want to find the ratio of the number of red apples to the number of oranges is same, 1 unit to 2 units, 1 to 2. Correct or not? Class, understand or not? Class?
Understand.
Okay, so in this example, we write the ratios of apples to oranges in different ways. How are we going to write the ratios in different ways? Maybe, okay, one method, one way is you can write the total number, the total quantities of apples all together, and then the total quantity of oranges all together. So one way you can find 4 apples, 4 to 8, correct? Apples to oranges, 4 to 8. If you want to simplify, also you can divide with 2 for both of the numbers. 4 can divide with 2, 8 also can divide with 2. You will get 2 to 4. Also you can simplify, correct? So you can write the ratios apples to oranges in 3 different ways. Understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
So these ratios are also known as equivalent ratios. Means all these 3 ratios are equal. So but the 1 to 2, can you see the last one? It is a simplest form that we got. Understand or not? Understand or not? Okay. So these ratios, we call it as an equivalent ratio. Maybe you can count as 4 to 8 because of the total number of apples and oranges we have. Total of 4, total of 8, 4 to 8. There is one way, and then you want to simplify again. Okay, let's say the question asked 1 unit is equals to 2 apples. 1 more unit is equals to 2 apples. So 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So maybe you can count like 2 to 4, like what we did for the first slide, this one. So 2 to 4 is one more way. Maybe you can use this one. Remember the second slide I've taught. 4 apples in 1 plate, 8 apples in 2 plates. So 1 to 2. Also is one more way to write the ratio. So we have 3 ways to write the ratios. If let's say the question asked in simplest form, means you can simplify using the highest common factor. Understand or not? Understand or not? Understand?
Understand.
I only can hear from Jinzer. Okay, so
Understand, teacher.
thank you so much. Okay, so this one is the ratio of screwdrivers to the whistles. So we have 4. If we count the quantity of the screwdrivers, yes, we have 4. If we count the quantities of the whistles, yes, we have 8. So this is one way of write the ratio 4 to 8. Okay, this one is one more example. Let's say teacher categorized this one into 2 groups. Means one group for 2 screwdrivers, one more group is 2 screwdrivers. So we have 2 groups of screwdriver, and then same goes to the whistles. I have grouped it into 4. So one group for 2 whistles. So we have 4 groups of whistles. Okay, if we use 2, the amount of quantity is 2 for the first ratio. Also, we have to use the same quantity for the second ratio. Don't tell me you can simply divide it into group. Understand or not? Let's say if here 2 groups of screwdrivers, I get a 2 quantity of screwdriver, I categorize as 1 group. Same goes to the whistles. Okay, now so we have 2 groups of screwdrivers and then 4 groups of whistles. So this is one more way to write the ratio. Ratio of screwdrivers to whistles is 2 to 4. This one is the second way. And the third way. Third way also, this one, the one group of screwdrivers which contain of four quantity of screwdrivers is for one group. If 4 in 1, same goes to the whistles, also 4 in 1. So we have 2 groups for the whistles. So what is the ratio of the screwdrivers to the whistle is 1 to 2 is one more way to write the ratio. Understand or not, class? Hello everyone, can understand, right? Any question?
Teacher.
So far, any questions? It depends on how the questions show to you all. It depends on how the instructions mention. So we have 3 ways. The 3 ways is teacher was explaining just now is only for like you all to understand. We can write the ratio in 3 different ways. The first step I've told you, right, is how many total number of objects we have, correct? The second one I've told maybe the groups we divided 2 into 1 group. The third way is maybe 4 in 1 group. That's why teacher said instruction is very important. Understand or not? So we have different ways to do. Let's say in the questions, one shot, the instructions is about write the answers in simplest form. You have no way to use. You have to simplify the answers. Understand? Okay, never mind. We go for more example. Okay, so that's all for the example. Okay, now how to simplify? From the previous example, yes. What are the equivalent ratios? We find out the ratios for 3 ways, and then the simplest ratios that you need to find. The actual quantity, yes, we have 4 apples and 8 oranges. This one is about the apple and oranges. Okay, example, how to simplify the ratio. Okay, what is the simplest form of the ratio 3 to 9? Okay, let's say we have the ratio 3 to 9. 3 is the common factor of 3 and 9. That's why teacher said please try to find the highest common factor. 3 to 9. So 3 also you have to divide with 3, means both of the number you have to use the same factor, which is 3. So 3 you can divide with 3, 9 also you can divide with 3, so you should get 1 to 3. And then same goes to 4 to 20. What is the simplest form of the ratio 4 to 20? 4 is a common factor of 4 and 20, correct? 2 also is common factor, but if you try to simplify, okay, let's say we try to simplify, we try to use the 2 as the common factor. Okay, let's say teacher put 2 here. 4 divide 2, 20 divide 2 here. But your answer is still 2 to class. What is your answer? Let's say if the 4 to 2 you divide into 2, you use the 2 as the common factor. What is the answer? Class?
2 10.
Huh? 2 to?
2 10.
Very good. 2 to 10. But it's not in the simplest form. We still have to use one more common factor to simplify the answers, right? So that's why teacher said better use the highest common factor. So that 4 is the highest common factor. You can use for both 4 and 20. So 4 you can divide with 4, 20 also you can divide with 4. So your answer is 1 to 5. So 1 to 5 is the simplest form. So 1 to 5, no more factor we can use to simplify. Who entered the call just now? Hello Ashriel, when did you join the call? You all never inform me also. Simply join the call and never inform.
I just.
You just end the call. Sorry, just join the call. Yeah. Okay, so the next slide. Okay. Okay, let's say, yes, our worksheets is based on this one. You have to find the missing term of these equivalent ratios. We have to do more worksheets on this topic. You know why? Because teachers showed the three different ways to write the ratio. That one is depend on the questions, how the questions is asked, but the way you write the ratio is same as what we did yesterday, like how many quantities they showed in the picture. Okay, but the missing term is very important. Let's say 4 to 16 is given. Teacher said you have to use the highest common factor to divide the ratio. So let's say the 4 you divide with 4, because you already know the answer is 1. So definitely you know 4 is, you should know 4 divide 4 only, you should get 1. So also 16 also you should know that must divide with 4. So what is the missing number there? What is the missing number there? Am I talking to my screen or talking to myself? 4. So 16 divide 4, also you will get 4. So 4 is the missing number there. Okay, then next example. Okay, this one also 2 to 8 is already given. I never say you only have to divide. If the question asks simplest form, yes, you have to divide. But the question is about the missing term. It doesn't mean it's only about the division. Also, you need to, some of the questions also you need to multiply. Okay, it's depend on what are the answers they given, what are the missing terms they given. Okay, let's say the ratio is 2 to 8. So for 2, you already got the answer 6. So automatically you should know is multiply. They multiply 2 with the 3. If they multiply 2 with the 3, and then you should know 8 also must be multiplied with the I know energy ready.
Multiply with 3.
Yes, so 8 multiplied 3 is 24. So 24 is the missing term of this ratio. Understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so this one also same. Okay, this is example of word problem question, but I haven't touched this. I won't touch now. I will discuss on next week maybe, because this one is 1.4. This is an example. Sarah has 4 red markers and 12 yellow markers. Find the ratio of the number of red markers to the number of yellow markers. But this one is very easy. Easiest one. Usually teacher will give you the more toughest one. Word problem questions in your exam. The answer is given. Sometimes you have to find the question. So don't expect me will give the easiest one, but this one is the easiest example. So what is the ratio in its simplest form? But the question is already mentioned. You have to find the ratio of the number of red markers to the yellow marker. So red to yellow. Red is 4, yellow is 12. 4 to 12. But simplest form means no choice. You have to divide using the highest common factor. Understand or not? Understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, so you can use 4 for the both ratios. 4 divide with 4 is equals to 1. 12 divide with 4 is equals to 3. So the ratio of the number of red markers to the number of yellow markers is 1 to 3. Understand? Understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Shall we work on the worksheet? Worksheet 1. Can you all see my screen? Can I call anybody to try this one for me?
Yes.
Can or not?
Yes.
So you have to fill in the blanks to make equivalent ratios. Okay, so question number 1. Who wants to try? Teacher said yesterday volunteer means anybody can volunteer yourself and give me the answer. Okay, for an example, number 1. Okay, I give you example for number 1. Okay, the first ratio is 24 to 56. Okay, but the answer is already given for 24 already. Only not given. The missing one is only for 56. So automatically we should know 28 they divided into 8, correct? To get the answer 3. If we use the factor 8 for 24, also we have to use the same factor for 56. Am I right? So for 56 also you have to use the factor 8 to divide. So you should get the answer 7 here. Can you all understand the example or not?
Yes.
Who still don't understand the example? I can repeat the example if you still don't understand. Who still
I
don't understand?
understand.
Okay, thank you. So, question number 2 is here, not downwards, it's here. Okay, question number 2. Any volunteer who wants to try? Hello. If you all understand well means, can volunteer yourself and give me the answer.
Is it number 2?
Yes, number 2.
Number 2, the answer is... Hey teacher, I just do number 3 only. Number 2, I
Alright.
didn't do it.
Okay, never mind. Other person, number 2. Anybody wants to try? Anybody wants to try question number 2? Yes. Yes.
8 to 5. Mommy is working.
Number 2. Number 2. Number 2.
Number 2 is 11,
Very good. Why? Can you please explain?
because use the factor of 4 to 20 divide 4 equals to 5. So 44 divide 4 equals to 11.
Very good. So the missing number is 11. Good. Not only for the first answer is given, teacher said if the first answer is given, you automatically have to find the second. Same goes to the second questions. Even though they are given the second answer, automatically you should know how to find the first missing value. Good. Okay, Fiona, number 3, what is your answer you said?
My answer is 5.
Why? Good, correct. But why?
Because the is 25, so I divide. Teacher, is it called divide?
Yes, yes, yes.
I divide by 5.
Yes, you know how to explain. Okay, let's say the first for 40 is already given 8. So 40 divide 5, we will get 8. So 25 also you need to divide with 5 to get answer here. So 25 divide 5 is equals to 5. Understand, Fiona?
Understand, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, question number 4. Any volunteer? Volunteer, please.
Hey, teacher.
Yes, Wei Feng.
4 times 5, 20, then 3 times 5, 50.
Very good. So your missing number is
3.
3. Good. Okay, question number 5. Question number 5. Any volunteer?
Yeah, can you say?
Yes. Jingza, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. How? How? Correct lah, your answer 40.
Oh.
How?
5 times 8 equal 8.
Yes, because 9 times 8, you got 72 is there. So 5 must multiply with 8, 40. So your missing number is?
4, 8.
Okay, very good, Jingza. Okay, question number 6. Hello, class. Who wants to try?
Teacher, which number?
Oi, number 6.
Right?
You already tried just now. Let the others try first. Who haven't tried yet can volunteer. Once all done, we come back to the previous person who tried just now. Number 6. Who wants to try? Faster. Don't waste the time. Class.
Teacher, can I try?
Yes.
Okay, wait.
Oi, I cannot wait for you. Faster. Done or not? Huh? Okay, class, wait. What is your answer? Faster. Josephine, how long you want me to wait? Josephine?
Divide 2.
Number 6. How you divide 2? Can you please explain to me?
I don't know.
How you can don't know? Everybody can answer.
Wait. Times 2.
No, wrong.
Then.
Did you focus? Hello. Okay, since the question is missing there, but the second question 8, your answer for the 8, the answer given is 2. So automatically you should know that 8 they divide into 4 to get the 2. So what number again you divide with 4, you will get 5. Or else you can do vice versa. 2 multiply with 4, you get 8. So 5 also you have to multiply with 4 to get the missing number. What is the answer?
20.
20. Very good. Hello, Josephine.
Okay.
Focus. Okay. So question number 7. Any volunteer?
Excuse me, teacher, but number 6, I still don't know. The answer is up, but I still don't know.
What answer is what again?
20.
Yes, 20. Okay, how? Okay, so even though it's not only about the answer is missing, even though your question is missing, you can find from the answer. Okay, the second ratio is already given 8. Here also the second fraction is already given 2. So 2 times 4 is equals to 8. If you use 4, 5 also you need to use 4 to get the answer. Correct or not?
Okay.
So 5 also you need to multiply to get 4. Sorry, 5 also you need to multiply with 4. So your answer is you will get 20.
Oh.
Okay, question number 7. Volunteer,
Excuse
please.
me, teacher.
Yes.
I go toilet.
Yes, Dingza, you may go. Okay, who else want to try? Sheng En, Sheng Wei, Herman, Jose, Ashria, Louise.
Teacher, can I try?
Yes, Herman.
Answer is 7 to 9.
7 to 9. Very good. What factor you use?
9 multiplied 3 is 27.
Yes,
7
very good.
multiplied 3 is 21.
Very good. Okay, number 8. Still few of you never open the mouth, huh? Jose,
Teacher, try
Luisa.
number 8. Teacher,
Huh?
can I try number 8?
Okay lah. Yes. What is your answer?
The answer is
Answer is what?
I don't know.
Hello. Why you don't know? Okay. Okay, so since the question is missing, correct? The second ratio is 9 and also the second ratio is 72, right?
Properly.
Correct or not?
Don't sleep on the table. Start your reading now.
Okay, so 72, you divide 8 to get this 9, correct? Or else 9, you times 8 to get 72. So also you can use the same one. 8 divide 8, you will get
1.
1. 1 times 8 also you will get 8. Understand or not?
Understand.
Understand? Very simple. You can use both ways actually. You try to divide first. If you cannot, you try to multiply first. Somehow you will get the answer. So your missing number is
1.
1. Very good. Okay. Question 9 and 10. Can I?
Teacher, can I try number 10?
Oh
Teacher.
yeah, Chia Liang-yi. Yes. Question number 9.
Teacher, I want to try number 10.
Okay. Ashriel, number 9.
Okay, Judah.
Okay, Chia Yang-yi, hold on. Let him try first 9, then you can continue
Okay,
the 10. Okay, Ashriel, number 9. Very simple. Number 9. Just compare the first ratio. What they do? Oh, they multiply. Okay, good. So you also have to use the same way for the second ratio. And then if you see the, let's say, the 10 example lah, okay, they are divide. Okay, the second ratio also you have to divide. It's depend on how or which way you're going to use. Ashriel, faster Ashriel. Angivan, can you please find the answer for 11 and type the answer for me? Shengan, Shengwei, get ready for 12 and 13, and Jose Luis, number 14. Ashriel, can you please make it faster? Ashriel, make it faster.
1 second, teacher.
Okay, so what is your answer?
48, teacher.
Ayah, faster lah.
48.
Huh?
48.
Number 9. Number 9. How become 48? Oh my God, Ashriel. Out of the zone ready. Okay, while waiting for Ashriel, okay, Chia Yang-yi, what is your answer for question number 10?
84.
84. Very good. How did you do?
I took 49 divided by 7, I get 7, and then 12 times 7, I get 84.
Very good. Okay,
Can I try number 9, teacher?
Huh?
Can I try number 9?
You want to try number 9? Yes.
The answer is 2.
Teacher, Ashura says 72.
72. Oh my God.
Teacher, my answer is 2 for number 9.
Oh my God. How you got 72? Yes, Chayangi. Very good. Your answer is 2. Please explain to the class.
I first take 12 divided by 6 equals 2, and then 1 times 2, I get 2. So my answer is 2.
2. Very good. Also, you can see from here 6 to 12. So you multiply with 2. So automatically 1 also multiply with 2. You will get 2. Very good, Chayangi. 11. Did Angivan already answer the question? Wait, let me check. Angivan's answer is 12 for question number 11. Very good, Angivan. Yes, answer is 11 because where? Sorry. Number 11, she said answer is 12. Yes, because when you see the second fractions, 5 multiply 6, you should get 30. You already got the 30 here. So 72 you divide with 6, you will get 12. Very good. Okay, 13. 12. Shengan, Shengwei, who wants to try first?
Teacher means
Yes.
the answer is 35.
Okay, how did you get?
7 multiply 5.
Okay, very good. Because 1 multiply 5, we already get the 5 here. So 7 multiply 5, you should get 35. Okay, good. 13, Sheng. Just now, who tried? Shengan, right?
No, Shenwei.
Oh, sorry. Okay, you can try now.
4.
4. How did you get?
16 divide 4.
Very good. Because 20 divide 4, you will get 5. So 16 divide 4, you will get 4. 14, Jose. Luis. What is your answer?
My answer is 12 to 54.
Very good. Very good. How did you get 54 there?
9 times 6.
Good. Okay. So question number 15. Wait, let me ask Ashriel. Ashriel, for question number 11 just now, for question number 9 just now, you got 72. How did you get 72 here? May I know? I confused totally. 72 is for the missing value here. 6 times 12. Oh, okay. You multiply this 6 with this 12. Is it? Oh, why you have no mouth to talk, is it? What is inside your mouth? You still typing here for what? Open your mouth and talk, Kenna. It's very hard for me to open the chat. Ashriel.
Yes, teacher.
So 6 you multiply with the 12.
Yes.
Oi, you not focus at all, Ashriel. How teachers, did I teach any method like this? 12 can multiply with 6 can multiply with 12. Okay. I think all your friends is already explained somehow how to find the missing answer for this ratio. Okay. Why don't you just try for question number 15 here? How to find the missing number here? Ashriel, can? Number 15. After Ashriel, is any other missing students? Luiso. When you want to open your mouth, until end of this class, you won't open your mouth, is it? Huh?
No.
After 15, 16, you must try for me. Then 17, 18, 19, 20. Any volunteer also can. Anybody can try.
Teacher,
Get
I want
ready.
to. Teacher, I want to do 17.
Any number is no problem. But get ready with your answers. Number 16.
Sure.
Louis Song. Huh?
Sure.
Ashra left?
Yeah.
Ashra. Purposely lah. Oh my god. Okay, 15. I don't want to waste my time with that boy. Okay, 15. Who wants to try for me? If he joined back, can you all please inform me?
He joined back.
Still 15, can I try?
Wait, Fiona. Wait. I need to clear some doubts. Astrid, why you leave the call?
Later he will say Wi-Fi problem.
Yes, he will blame Wi-Fi. He will blame me. He will blame the screen. He won't blame himself. Astrid, may I know the reason? Class lagging? Okay, never mind. The Wi-Fi is not lagging now, right? So can you please try question number 15? Fiona, wait for a while. Let him try.
Okay.
Yeah. Ashriya, come. Give me the answer for question number 15.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay, Ashriya. 16 is Louis saw. So 17, 18, 19, 20, you all can choose. Any volunteer also can.
17, teacher.
Fiona, maybe you can try 18, then 19 and 20, any student can choose. But I want the answer for 15 now.
Teacher, 10, teacher.
How did you get the answer?
I did the same with number 5. Was divide.
Yeah, now explain to me what factor you use.
Divide 30 by 3. Divide 30 by 3. And then I see then the front part is 3, and then I put 10.
Okay, 10. So you have to use the factor 3. Okay, very good. The missing number is 10. Okay, 16. Louis saw.
16.
What is the missing number?
7.
7. Hello, what? You simply tell me.
No.
You the one have to find.
7.
No.
Let me think.
No. No, Louis saw. You can see the second factor or not? 5 and 35. So what they do? 5 multiply
7.
7 to get 35. Very good. And then you get the answer 21 some more. So you have to divide with 7 what?
35 divided by 7.
35 you divide with 7, you get 5. And then 21 you divide with 7. What is your answer?
3.
Yes, your missing number is 3. 17. Whose turn? 17? I think 17 is Adish, 18 is Fiona,
Yes,
right?
Why?
Yes, teacher.
What is your answer?
Yes, teacher.
6. Explain. Hello.
That's true. Then
21 divide 7 equals to 3.
Oi,
I'm
question number
sorry.
17.
now how to do?
Yes.
Hmm.
So 21
Hmm?
divide 7 equals to 3. So
And
3
the
times
last
2 equals
one,
to
number
6.
6, out of the frying
Oh,
pan.
okay, good. That way also correct. Okay, very good. So your missing number is 6. Okay. Fiona, 18.
18. 18, the answer is 5.
5. Okay, can you please explain?
Because the question is one equals 7 what? So I multiply I multiply with 7.
Okay.
Then the 35 I counted 5 times 7 equal 35.
Yes, good. I understand what you're trying to say. Okay, very good. So the missing number is 5. Okay, any volunteer for 19 and 20?
Teacher, can I try?
Who said 6 just now? Yes, Louiso. Yes. Chayangi can try for 20. Louiso, how did you get 6 there?
5 times 1 equal 35. Times 7 equal 35. Then the
Yes.
42 I divide by 7. Then you got the 6.
Very good. Okay, question number 20, the last one. Chayangi. Chia, what is your answer for 20?
Teacher, I don't know because I don't know how to do this one.
Hey, how you can say don't know? Very easy.
Big
Okay.
number, teacher, big number.
Can I try?
He could not decide.
Teacher, can I
and
try?
He was
Can.
11.
Okay, good. How did you get? Can you please explain?
Well, I don't think you
60
look like
divide-
you're writing, huh?
60 divide 12 equals to 5.
Mm.
So 55 divide 5 equals to 11.
Yes. Can you understand now, Chayangi?
Yes.
For 60, you got the 12 ready. So 60, you divide with 5, you will get 12. Same goes to 55 also. You have to divide with 5 to get the missing number. So your answer is 11. Okay, so far, understand or not, class, how to find the missing
Yes,
number?
teacher.
So don't leave blank any of the questions if your midterm examinations, if the questions is come out in your midterm examination, please don't leave blank. Understand? This topic will come up definitely. Yes. Did any teacher inform about your Arish? Did any teacher inform anything about the exam?
I think it's after the exam, teacher. After the holiday.
After the exam? Yes, after the holiday. Your exam starts on 23rd. Okay, but we don't know whether we all doing the exam in online or in school. Anything will update by teacher Jasmine. Okay? Okay or not? Okay, so how to find the missing numbers of ratio? Any question? Sure. Can understand or not? Can understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Many kind of reactions he will be giving, Adishwara. Okay, so I have uploaded 5 worksheets for this topic. So make sure you do finish all the worksheets that I have uploaded in Edmodo. Understand? Okay, we
Understood,
try some more, can? 5 more minutes. Who wants to try question number 1? Class, just try. Wrong
Teacher,
doesn't
can I
matter.
try?
Yes. Okay, number 1.
28.
28. Very good. So since you know already how to do, so I won't ask you all to explain. Okay, 28. Good. Number 2. Volunteer, please. Don't expecting me to call your
Okay,
names
that's
every
right.
time. Yes, yes, yes.
The answer is 42.
Very good. Okay, number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Yes, Jingzi.
It's 42.
Very good. Okay, number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4, please volunteer. Ah. Teacher. Who wants to try now?
Me.
Yes.
28.
Hey, again Fiona, cannot. Rejected. Why you want to try some more? You already tried question number 2, right? Okay, you already mentioned the answer just now. What is your answer?
28.
Okay, very good. Okay, Adish, Jingzi, and Fiona, please quiet. Okay, number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Actually, you all know how to answer. Actually, you all wanted to say the answer, but the thing is, you all don't want to open the mouth. That's the problem. So shy. Number 5.
All
Number 5.
item
Number 5.
constant
Number 5. I said except Adishwara, Fiona, and Jingzi, the rest can open your mouth and talk. I want the answer for question number 5.
The teacher cannot try.
Yes, please, Chayangi. Your answer is?
Wait.
Oi, faster. Number 6. Number 6.
Teacher, can I try?
Yes, please, Herman.
7.
Very good. Okay, come back to Chayangi. Faster, what is your answer for question number 5? Chayangi, faster.
Wait, teacher. I'm currently
Okay,
confused.
wait. While waiting for you, can I go to question number 7? Any volunteer for question number 7? 7. See how many times I've been calling? 7, please. 7. Cannot. So you all should know who never opened the mouth. Students, number 7. Angiwan can choose any of the questions. You can write the number of question and also answer in the chat box. Number 7, yes, please.
So I read people
Who's
answer
that?
nonsense.
Okay, 7, what is your answer, Louis Saw?
营养的食物，什么叫做有营养的食物？
Alright.
Yes, healthy food. Okay, good. Okay, 关起来耳朵。就是 healthy food，例如你要吃 balanced diet，就是要有鱼呀，要有菜呀，水果啊，知道吗？然后多多水，知道吗？所以让你的身体健康起来，可以吃多多糖果。
Your answer is what? Louis Saw and Chayangi still waiting for your answers.
My answer is 9.
Answer is 9?
Yes.
Hello. Why question number 5 answer is 9? 72 divide 9 is equals to 8. 9 divide 9 you should get
72.
Hi. Chayangi, Louis Saw, mute your mic for a while. Okay. Chayangi, 72 you divide 9 you will get 8, correct? Right or not, Chayangi?
Yes.
Okay. So 9 also you have to divide with 9 what? Oh, confused already.
Yes.
72, how did you get 8 for 72? Can I know? 72 divide 9. You should get 8. 9 also, you have to divide with 9. So what is your answer?
1.
1 lah. Good.
Teacher, can I try 6?
6 already tried, Josephine. You still dreaming. Okay. Question number 7. Faster, Luiso, what is your answer? Angiwan, she tried for question number 8. Very good, Angiwan. Answer is 48. Okay, once done with Luiso, we can end the call. Luiso, I need your answer for question number 7. What is your answer? Okay, you can see the differences from here. The second ratio here is 99. The second ratio is here is 11. So 11 multiply 9, you will get 99. And same goes to 12 here. 12 you multiply with 9, you should get what?
108.
108. Very good. Understand or not, class?